Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be doing a wig reinstall. I didn't originally install the wig the first time, but this time I did, and I did bleach the knots because the knots wasn't bleached. I think that's the only thing I did. Well, I shampooed it, revamped it or whatever, and then I bleached the knots. So let's get right into it. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.
On them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the golden rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just gonna sew the flap. You know, when you do a side part, close your wig, you have a little flap. I'm gonna sew it down, and I'm also gonna later on in the video I'm gonna sew it in the front, because you know on the other side sometimes wigs tend to slide back, so I'm gonna sew that slide down too.
Turn me round, treat me like a rock, bust me down on the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. Durage up down low like bombs. Suede boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too talking about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride. Show me why I said. Know it's been a while, but I wanna get right.
If I had $1 for every time these niggas hate, I'd be rich like Jen, yeah. I got rich with baby face. It came up just make a play. And I feel just like Beyonce, niggas sludge, say my name. I can't back down for no nigga, I bring more smoke to Taylor again. I'm the GOAT, don't get front of free throw. Fade away, whipping dope, make a big shine. You can't say it ain't. I know if I wasn't that great, they wouldn't even be doing shit. Say that shit come with the game, nigga, I ain't never been no game. I don't even wanna conversate, nigga, lie right to my face. Yeah, I probably under the jail, they know how much crime I did today. Damn, cry, baby V's, using honey, wipe it away. I don't got change for 20, nigga, 20 ain't nothing but change. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of giving niggas game. I'm shopping, copping, Matty boy. I got this down in MIA. This little bitch will get a house to bang. I met her in LA. I got blood from bombs and Crips on slides and gon' make sure I'm safe. Shawty breaking glory gang. Slimy, I should be ashamed. He done dropped 100 tape. Made no noise like Pootie Tank. Baby, my heart so icy. I'm like Shiesty. I'm like Gucci, man. I'm down to a 4 a day. Dirty water, Louis Ray. These stupid ass niggas must be free base. Young nigga, I was middle school, hoes carrot A. Fast for the nigga, death day. Make him meet his mate. Broke beef and niggas, make his mama throw a phone raise. 7 mile pop star, bitch, I'm just Timberlake.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna get you better. Maybe it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody's home next up. Be them if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Really only over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you,
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. But what you want?
I don't know.
my new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's time for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Be doing what you want.
just like Odell. No, my mom, my killers don't tell. Shut through my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches need attention, yeah.